Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is July the 28th and I'm using my PIP trigger trading system. Now if you stick around till the end of the video, I will be telling you about a special offer that ends July 31st. So let's see now, every morning 6 o'clock a.m. New York time, right here where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments and checking my daily trade plan. Keep in mind, in this PIP trigger, this Hull moving average, when it changes colors, blue to red or red to blue, you'll get it like it says right here, Hull change up, the Hull trend change down. Get an audio sound like I said, and the other ones here, buy and sell alerts, are coming from the arrows from the super signal indicator. I would not trade any system at all moving forward without the super signal indicator. It's quite easy. You just put it on the charts and then save the template, and it'll make your favorite system a much better trading system. So now let's take a look at that daily trade plan. I took a screenshot from earlier before I started trading. As you can clearly see, everything is bullish except for the dollar CAD. I could have traded even more instruments, especially with this yen. All the yen pairs, which I did euro yen, pound yen, I could have bought all the yen pairs and I would have been a winner on each and every one. That's why I love trading the PIP trigger. Matter of fact, any of my systems works great as long as I have the super signal indicator and I have this daily trade plan. Please keep in mind that all indicators, as you probably heard, are lagging, same as this daily trade plan. First you have price action, and then it's starting to tell you whether you should be buying and or selling. But when the market's moving 100 or 200 pips or ticks up or down, I'm not looking to get that much, as you can clearly see. I get smaller, but as long as I end up with 200 or more pips and ticks, you can easily see how you can make thousands of dollars every day. So if you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me and I can answer your questions. So let's move on to these trades. First trade I did, remember I bought them all, took them all little before 7 or little after 7. And I closed them all out almost to the minute, 8:03, 8:04. And it's very early in the morning, and I'm already done trading for the day. Plus, now I'm doing this video. So let's get into these trades. First trade I took, like I said, I wanted to be buying it. When I took the trade, at this cursor, now the euro dollar pays, like the pound dollar pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Looking at the money, this should be 15 pips. There it is right there, 15 pips, and that paid out $150. Moving right along to the next trade, euro yen. Another one I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow from the directly taken from the daily trade plan. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. The hull is blue, crossed here. Everything was looking really good down at the bottom. And of course, the AO was above the waterline, so that's good for buying. And if I stayed in the trade, I'd be up 140 something right now. But I was happy with, let's see what I did get here. looks like about 24 pips, and that paid out $165. Let's take a look at the next trade. Remember, euro yen, pound yen, bought both because of the yen, which is very weak. Remember, that's a bus driver. All the yen pairs are going up. So let's drag and drop this, wait a second, pound yen. Make sure I click on the pound yen. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Would have made about 3 times more, but remember what I said, if you have a bus driver, you're going to get pips. So pull the trigger here, and I close it out, let's see, almost there, looks like 30. So 30 pips, and that paid out $215. Moving right along to the next trade, the pound dollar. Again, this one pays $10. Looking at the money, this should be 22. Drag and drop this up. Let's see where I got in at, right at this cursor. Like I said, it should be about 22. There it is right there. Looks like it's doing a pullback right now. There's your sell signal back to the goal line. Don't you just love the super signal indicator? It really helps to find the beginning of these moves up or down. Now, if you're the type who loves to scalp, well, then you're going to love the super scalper. So, as I said, it's 22 pips, and that paid out $220. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. This one is $5 for each tick. Let's see where I got in at. Now, I took the money divided by 5. And like I said, because it pays $5 for each tick, and the calculator says it should be 51. It's giving me a bit of a hard time, but it is 51. So 51 ticks, and that paid out $255. Next trade, same thing. S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. Let's see where I got in at. If I stayed in a trade, basically if I stayed in these trades up until now, I'd be making $4,000 or $5,000. But anyhow, I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 62. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. Those 62 ticks paid out $312. Moving right along to the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 37. Let's bring the blue box in. This blue box right here, I'd be making 3 times more. I'd be making at least $1,000 if I stayed in the trade. What did I say it was going to be? 37. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up 168. But I was happy with the 37, and there it is right there. 37 ticks, and that paid out $370. Remember to watch the video till the end, as I do have a special offer that ends July 31st. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Bring the blue box in properly. Would have made at least double, more than double actually. But I took the money divided by 20. It says it's roughly 23 ticks. So 23. Let's see what I'd be in right now. That's 100. Not too bad. There's the 23. You remove the last 2 digits, and that paid out $458. So another great day of trading using my PIP trigger system. I knew it was going to be over 200. I added up everything, came to 264 pips and ticks, and that paid out $2,146. So, another, like I said, great trading day. And if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Remember, I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is look right below this video. So, let's say this is the video. All you got to do is look right below the video and you'll see this button that says show more. All you have to do is click on it. Another window pops up or it opens up. I made it easy for you. Here's the link. Even if you think you don't have Skype, if you have a computer, tablet, cell phone, as long as it's connected through Microsoft, all you got to do is click on this link and we will have a Skype connection where I can answer your questions. Remember, there's 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. A lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. And don't forget, you need the daily trade plan. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see there's 4 different packages. Remember, I charge $250 for each package. And this is the point where I'm going to talk about a special offer that ends July 31st. Now, if you buy package 1, 2, or 3, and then for $50 more, that's a total of $300, I will give you the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal indicator. That is a huge discount, as both of them would be $500 for only $300, and that works out to a 40% discount. Remember, special offer ends July 31st. Now, the PIP trigger system, at the moment, this does not automatically include the Super Signal indicator. That's in package the Easy Trader system. Number 1 and 2 has the bulk of the training videos, 22 here, 20 here. Each video is up to 30 minutes long each, approximately. Package 2 is How I Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips. 3 is the Daily Trade Plan. I highly recommend you getting your hands on it. And then, of course, the Easy Trader. If you continue to scroll down, you'll see each package and what I teach in it. I teach many different ways to trade the market, and the more ways that you learn, the better you'll become as a trader. Better means more pips and ticks, which eventually will mean more money for you. The next package, How I Trade Live, everything I teach in it. Show you all the steps I go through as I am trading, starting with the Daily Trade Plan. Daily Trade Plan, 4 videos. Same for the Easy Trader, 4 videos. I cover the 3 different trading sessions. Now, if you have any questions or you want to buy, simple. Pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, or you can send me an email. Here's my email address. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Now, here's another link to the Skype, as I really do prefer Skype. Now, I wanted to inform you that once you buy, you own it, you have it. There's no way I can take it back. And for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. It takes me up to 2 weeks and up to 100 hours to put together some of these packages. So I'm not going to do all that work and give it away for free. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.